how's it going? Good to see you.
How's it going, sir?
What do we got here? Meet up?
Ah, yeah. Say hi.
Okay, so you got a
Leon! Good to see you, young man.
Oh, fair enough. Who's more you?
Oh, okay.
You want to ask me why I said something? Porter and all that came from London, but they were coach people. You guys know Duesenberg automobile.
Hi, I'm Steve Goldfield with Zuma Cars and Coffee, but we're actually not in Zuma Beach anymore. We're now at Redondo Beach Marina, and there's a whole story on that, which I don't think we're going to have enough time to do that. But at any rate, here at Perry's Café for the fundraiser for the firemen that took care of Palisades, Pasadena, and so I brought about 45 exotic cars here from our event, and it was a lot of fun. Yeah, great auctions, great food, Nathan's hot dogs, the real ones. It was pretty cool. So at any rate, we're here. We're going to be coming up. Actually, we should be here hopefully again May 4th. We're hoping to do our Cinco de Mayo event here at this lot at Perry's. Normally, though, we're at 245 North Harbor in Redondo Beach at the marina. We have 300 to 400 exotic cars coming once a month. The first Sunday of every month there. So I hope you join us. And this has been a fabulous event here. I think they raise some good money, and they're going to take care of the firemen. So that's good. Thank you.
You buy using the chassis and do whatever you want. So that's why there's no well, there's another one. There's not a city. Year hybrid. Yeah, I see the legendary cars, man. Okay, watch out. Oh, yes. It came out? But look, you see it's like a clock. It's a timer, mechanical. And this thing is spinning. And when it gets to the center, it comes off.
Were those the turns?
Yes, they call I think they call semaphore in the US and trafficator in England.
I don't want to go in front of
But you go like this, go like your finger here, don't pay attention.
Oh, yeah. Good.
By the shoe. 47. But it was built in Brooklyn and was finished in 1949. It took them a year and a half to build it. It's a hand-built car. Inskip, New York, Inskip was a coach builder. You know that they were coach builder in the United States, like Murphy, Pasadena, Duesenberg. Inskip in Brooklyn, they build custom cars for clients. You buy the chassis, and they'll build you whatever you want. There were two made. Two? I have one of the two. And I have the original one. The original.
Oh, you have them both?
No. I have one. But I have the one that Tommy ordered. See, it was ordered by this guy. This guy married 11 women 13 times. Okay? The wife and life of Tommy married wife number.
11 women 13 times?
Yeah,
Married two of them twice.
Like Elizabeth Taylor married 9 times 7 men, right? Richard Burton, I think she married twice. So this woman, his wife number 9, wrote the book about the guy who owned this car. And here's like, and here this is maybe wife number 4 or 7 or whatever next to him on the day that he brought the car home. This is this. Right? One of 2 years.
I need to pick it up a lot.
Wow, it's nice.
Oh, it's October 12th.
Helicopter was sick. Good. These guys No, I just got here. I was
You want to buy it? Anything is for sale for the right price. You give me an offer that I cannot refuse.
And he was cranking
You
up the
go, I take over home.
and then we stalled, and then we went to get more gas. Oh. Yeah, we ran out of gas.
A whole bunch of pictures at the gas station. Yeah, okay.
Are you still working?
Yeah, remember and I filmed it where people are haunting us? Like right on home and San Francisco.
Oh yeah, I remember this.
I made good money in Hollywood. I was building television studios. I had a large screen video projection rental company. I did a lot of big shows where the big screens are in the back. So I made good money. I decided to give it to charity. You know, one day, say I'll buy some cars. I can have them later on. Is in my will for the charity, so charity can survive after I die. So I thought the investments would be good. But this guy's going to win me $5 million. And that's going to go to charity.
If I had the money, I would buy that quad.
Right?
That's such a cool car.
Yeah. You can buy quattro like this. As in Poland,
She's standing up right there.
But now,
It has all the lettering on back.
This chick.
because they don't really have it. During the competition, we did probably 1.3 to $2 million. This thing they were selling then at $250. Now I think they're selling at 500, 600. The same exact thing. It's a group in the Polish guys are making, it's not a replica really, because they're actually using how the components. They're taking a quattro and then making it into a short Norway. Right. And everything is new in the car. Tons of money. Okay, what are you going to write on the check?
What year?
What do you want?
What year? What year?
What year is this?
57?
47. Oh, we're making a television?
Your video.
Jeez. I didn't even notice you there.
Oh, yeah.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay, it's fine. Well, you're making a video too, no?
No, it's off.
It's off?
Whatever you
No,
say.
I'm not saying anything criminal.
How long have you had the car?
Since I think 2019, 2020.
How's it run?
Like a new car.
Like a new car?
Like, literally. You know, the Rolls-Royce, I think 70 or 80% of them are still on the road from the original car.
Is that right? Wow.
They really are.
Does it start right
Like
up?
Subarus
Oh, yeah.
depends. If they're rusting away, that's a different story. Say it again?
But it starts right up?
Starts right up. Even after it sits for a month, it starts right up. Rolls-Royce really built quality stuff.
And where do you take it for service?
I don't take it for service because it doesn't break.
Wow.
I do all my maintenance
Oh, you do?
myself. Yeah. If I can't do it, I find a specialist who can work on it. Listen, a car is a car. A carburetor is a carburetor. A distributor is a distributor. A spark plug is a spark plug. A master cylinder is a master cylinder. There's not a brake shoes or brake shoes.
What about the parts for them?
Parts for Rolls-Royce are not. I don't need parts. But if you do, it's a silver rate. When there's 70 or 80% of them still on the road, there are parts for silver rate.
I see.
Look, I
Beautiful.
can find parts from cars from the 20s. You know, I have cars going back 100 years.
Really? This is a purple color, huh?
It's eggplant.
Eggplant.
I just got the phone call yesterday. Cars that were
Right next to all the
And then if you need help bringing it or whatever, you can bring it inside the truck. Get up for you.
Thank you.
Of course, my pleasure. Have a great day. Yeah, oh, I can imagine.
Leon? Take me out. Nice meeting you guys. Thank you.
Thank
But
you.
if it's like a, like a Camaro or something, no.
I see.
Yeah, it probably doesn't.
Look at these guys.
We'll be around.
Good. Take care.
Take care. Nice talking to you, sir. Thank you. All right, so take care. All right.
The Coco. I feel that sometimes. I was like,